Hi guys, this is Mrs. Shane from the Expressions Room. I'm going to show you how to cast off your knitting. So when you've reached the end of your row, the length that you want to have knitted, you need to cast off, which is removing the knitting needle from your knitting and securing the knitting so that it does not unravel. In our case in class, we're knitting a 50-inch strip. So once you reach 50 inches in your knitting, you're going to want to cast off. It's very simple. So to begin the cast off, you're simply going to knit 2 over just as if you were continuing to knit another row. Now that I have 2 over here on the right side, I'm simply going to take the bottom one, pull it over the top, and lift it off the needle. You can do that with your knitting needle. I just find it's easier to do it with my fingers. Then I'm going to knit another one over to the right side, so again I have 2, so that I can take the bottom one, pull it over the top, and off the needle. I'm going to repeat this again, needing to bring another one over to the right side so that I have 2 to work with. The bottom one goes up and over the top. Again, bottom one up, over the top, go back over, get another one from the left, up and over the top, off the needle. Repeat that again. So again I have 2 on this side, up and over the top. Repeat that again. Up and over the top. Now you can see I'm getting down to the last few cast-ons. So up and over the top. Now I'm at the last 2. I'm going to do the same thing so that I bring it onto this side. I can drop this, I'm going to lift it up and over the needle, and I'm left with 1 loop. Now that I'm left with 1 loop, I want to pull a little bit so that it creates a bit of a larger loop to work with. I go ahead and cut a few inches, and I simply loop it through and pull it tight. And there I have secured my knitting needle and successfully cast off.